He's moving like that.
Is it that's the answer? Alright, go ahead, Rory. Pick two of those questions.
Yeah, so I pick number one. What were your perceptions before going to Pakistan and now? My perception, I didn't have any perception because I was actually like expecting it was just like Manila, like that, because I watched Joseph, we watched already YouTube videos of the vloggers. So, but I came to understand that when you're driving here, it's really very tight. It's you're everywhere. It's not the same as what we have in the Philippines. So being able to experience and
So what you're saying is that Nahid is a bad driver.
he's a very talented driver.